so like before, don't know. Cool, so excuse the mess. Obviously it's the last day here. Make sure you guys see it, so Hotel Gran Sol. Alright, so coming in with the bathroom first, you got the toilet, bidet thing, sink, shower. Got a little window here as well, so it's all good. You come out into the main room area, you got a little place for your luggage there. TV with the English channels. 2 mirrors, in fact, 1, 2 there. Room's full of mirrors. You got kettle, teas, coffees, whatever you want. Little desk as well, which has been covered in my drinks and stuff. A little fridge here as well. It doesn't have a freezer in it, so you got a bit of ice from somewhere, but I don't drink, so I never really needed it. Yeah, some bedside tables, bed, wardrobe with safe in it, phone, but I've never actually used it. Stuff here, what else got here on this side? Got a little safe and that. Cool, so now get onto the balcony. Open it up for you. Got a little chair, table, stuff like that. And this is the view of Ibiza I've got from my room. As you can see, you've got a nice little port, little bay thing there. See ships coming in and out. You know, it's what, 10 AM here, so it's not even peak heat yet. Obviously you've got a little sunbathing area there, you can see as well. The pool's off to the right hand side of this building. You've got a little car park as well. So if you've got a car, you're good to go. Little more car park. I'm happy that this car park is here because it gives me this view, man. It's so buff. This hotel, it's a good hotel to be fair. It's nice, man. It's comfortable. You get me? But yeah, that's it. That's hotel room tour. Subscribe, like. I'll try and get some more of these up on the channel because I've neglected it. And yeah, put in the comments below if you want me to go anywhere else and do this, because it's a struggle when you're looking for a hotel and you can't actually see what the hotel looks like prior to going, you get me, like, or you've got them little slideshow videos when you're googling it on YouTube or something, you know. So yeah, anyway, I'm out.